Steve was Origin here from your next car Dunedin. Today we're going to have a look around this 2016 Mazda Premacy Sport Spec L-Pack. So the L-Pack's got the nicer wheels, it's got the partial leather interior there as well. So these Premacies are excellent for safety, 5-star safety rating with 6 airbags, stability control and good vision all the way around. So let's have a wee look and see what's going on inside this practical 7-seater. So for a start, electric door, it's a really nice touch. So these are really versatile. So we'll just do some average camera work here and show you how this works. So you can flip that wee compartment away, pop that over there, spin that round, flick that up, go down in here, flip that out. Look at that, then you've got 7 seats, so that's really handy. What I like about the fold-away seat option, it creates a couple of captain seats. These have got ISOFIX points on the back. So what you can do with that, you can set up 2 car seats permanently and then have the older children jump through the back there as well. Love the electric doors, really good touch in car parks. So good boot space there. Another huge advantage is you get your split fold down seats as well. So if you haven't got all the kids, you can create a wee bit of extra boot space. So this has got the idle stop technology too. So when you're at the lights, the car will actually, and you brake, the car will actually turn off. When you accelerate again, away she goes. So that's with the idle stop, stability control, and look at that with the nice partial leather interior. So you can drive this away for just $14,999 or round about $96 a week on no deposit finance. Come find your next car.